I've been keeping up with your Insta posts.
Really?
When are you due?
Terrifying, my son.
I've decided it's time to let you in on a secret. We didn't plan to have another child. This is our oops baby.
When are you due?
Early June.
Same.
I'm Megan, by the way. Aggie.
What's this about you being pregnant? I don't want a baby. You should have got rid of it.
No!
You said to call. I hope you weren't just being polite.
Are you near a train line?
My mum's house is right on it.
One went past here at the exact same time. It sounds like you're right outside.
Good luck tomorrow.
Can't wait for our babies to meet.
Me neither. Do you want to say hello to your little boy?
Your baby wasn't scheduled for a blood test.
Where is our baby?
The baby that was taken from St Adeline's Hospital yesterday has been named as the son of Jack Shaughnessy, a prominent sports journalist, and his wife Megan.
I know that woman.
Megan!
Someone's taken my boy.
What if Simon's got him?
We have traced the troll who's been sending you those pictures.
Who is it?
You've got secrets. You've done bad things.
I think the cops are watching us.
We got him.
Come on, let's go!
Drop your weapon! This is the police!
She's got my baby!